In this video, I'm going to show you the best voice changer for PC. I've made a video on this before, and a lot of you guys were confused about how it actually works and how to use the right output device so that it actually works on other platforms as well. So if you search for best voice changer, you'll get a list right here, and number 4 Clownfish voice changer is the one that I use. Now you can go to clownfishtranslator.com and then /voice changer, which will send you over to this page, or you can click on download and you can then download any of these. So download 64-bit, 64-bit, and 32-bit. So figure out which one you need and then download it. Okay, so I'm gonna download this one, and as you can see right there, it's gonna download a setup file. Now what you want to do, what I like to do, let me just go to my desktop. You then drag that onto your, and then you open the file, hit yes, hit next, and pretty much install Clownfish. Now this is step number 1, okay? Now the next step is actually, okay, so once you've installed Clownfish, it will appear right here. You can open it if you want to, but it won't open, but you'll see the Clownfish icon right there. You want to right click, and then right there you can click on set voice changer. It's going to open this menu, and you want to make sure to use the right output device. So make sure that your microphone, if you have a microphone, let's check. I have indeed got a microphone, that you're using this as the output device, okay? Now you can choose to do that in all of these settings right here. So make sure that you're using your microphone as the output. If you then click on any of these, let's say Helium pitch,
you'll see that my voice actually changes, right? So right now I'm recording and the voice changes, which is cool. So in real life, my voice doesn't change, of course. But if I talk through my microphone, you guys right now are like hearing a Helium pitch, right? And let's see if I can go back. There you go. Oops, I did it again. You can then change that to any of these, right? Baby pitch. So right now I'm a baby.
right now I'm a robot, and right now I'm
A female. You can change the pitch as well. And that's pretty much how to change your voice, right? Let's say
clear effect. There you go. So right now my voice should be back to normal, but that's how you can change your voice on your PC. Now, like I said, it's really important that you use the right output device. So if it's not working right now, make sure to check if the output device is right. So if you're trying this on Discord or any other platform, make sure to select the same mic you're using as the output. Otherwise, it's not going to work. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead. And by the way, guys, a lot of you will be using this and then you'll be like, it doesn't work. But make sure to use a separate recorder device such as Audacity, which is what I'm using as well. And then by recording that, you'll find out that it does actually work. Now, that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section down below, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.